Yeah, them beats so sick, when the rhythm hit them, they be like, now you know I swing. It's a factory thing, let it bang and we got you like. When you hear that new shit, yeah, them beats so sick, when the rhythm hit them, they be like, now you know I swing. It's the factory thing, let it bang and we got you like. I bring that feeling out in everybody, cause everybody getting crunk off in this damn party. They party hard cause it's gonna turn into something good. Something good, yeah, y'all niggas know I'm understood. I keep it sizzling, haters can't touch my damn pace. That's why I keep that smooth flow to entertain the fan base. I'm about to change the whole landscape. 10.4 on the Richter, call me earthquake. In this race I won in first place. Now that I really have to ask in the first place. These corny niggas got replaced. I got support in that game like I need grace. Yeah, I have to keep it proper, man. The showstopper, man. The hoes love you, man. And everywhere I go, real niggas know the names. Touchtone Factory, motherfucker, got 'em like.